This video starts off like Pulp Fiction, for those of you familiar. We are going to first watch the end, then we will loop back round. As we come in here, we see the pirates making an attempt at chopping an absolutely behemoth log. Will this pirate succeed? Oh. Nope. It appears he's going for a wee. Sorry you had to see that, folks. I'll have to have a talk with the editor about that one. Here, we see the Commodore showing us the technique for making slabs with an axe. Now, let's get to some sewing. Everything is prepared to make the first cut. Let's run it. The chainsaw featured in this footage is an early 90s Husqvarna 61. Keep in mind, this saw is not designed for this type of work. Let's see how she does. Looks like the pirates are having a bit of a rough start here. This is what we call growing pains. This can be sorted by extending the overhang of the sled past the edge of your work 12 inches or so. Starting off the cut on an angle allows more stability in some cases. Once again, angles are coming into play here as the Commodore exits this first pass.
Oh, look at the color. Oh, that is beautiful. That's a good cut, man. Holy fuck. That's one of the better first cuts I've ever made. Thanks, guys.
To properly make a precise slab, one must adjust the mill to the specified dimensions. As for this cut, there will be no sled used. Let's peek into the procedure.
Adam, were you out at Radium still when Mike's kid fucked himself up? Necessary?
The pirates have learnt many lessons this year, and if you follow along, you will learn a wonderful hack for this. The Commodore neglected to take into account the remnants of the branches, adding to the log's overall width. This saw has a limited cutting capacity, and by the looks of it, the saw is being pushed to the max. Let's watch this time-lapse of the first slab of 2023 coming off the mill. The rocking back and forth is not an ideal motion, and will cause saw marks to be left on the final product. A larger saw would help prevent this. Absolutely gripping footage. And finally, you will see the pirates cut the waste piece from the last video into some impossible to chop firewood.